Hate to say I told you so, mate.
I know, Howie, I know, mate, I know.
But you got a plan?
Well, there's no one else around, so I think we need to go for self-recovery. So I reckon it's the Exitrax boards. Up for it?
Spade them out and put them in.
Yeah, mate, awesome. So these are the 1150 Ultimate Exitrax boards, and so what we're going to do, Howie, the reason we want to do a bit of digging is we need the board to bite on. We've got some really good lugs, so we've got these 9 channels, 3 on each side to bite, and they're allowed to get some mud and water out, and then these lugs here which are placed to try and bite into the tread. But we've got to get this part under the tyre, so if we just dig out the front, we put that in, we've got a really good ramp angle here, and then also we've got these on the bottom here to bite into the ground to hold it there rather than spinning it out. So we can just dig so that we can get those in there and just under the start of the tyre, eh? All 4 tyres.
You want to do the front or I'll do the back?
All right. Just get that bite onto them.
I had my doubts, mate.
Are they good, eh? Once the boards just get their bite, man, they'll just walk out of it, eh? Which is good. In hindsight, what we could have done, we knew it was going to be wet, so maybe we could have been proactive and laid the boards out first. That way we wouldn't have sunk down.
No, we should have listened to me and not come this way. That's what we should have done. Pack up.
These boards do come with a leash as well, Howie. So particularly if this is wet, they don't float. So you put a leash on, that way you can just see the end of the leash. We've had them in these dams that we train in, and they don't float. So the leash is really handy as well. They come standard with that. When you buy them, you get 2 leashes for your boards. See, they do get a bit dirty when we're doing this stuff as well. Exitrax do make a bag for these. So, you know, if you're putting them in your ute, it's easy to chuck them in a bag, dirty, or, you know, rather than getting stuff all through your ute. Or you've got the mounts to go on your roof racks as well, which is awesome.